Now, it's time for something a bit different. We have seen a few great pitches so far. We are always curious about the journeys that our alumni are going through. Therefore, we have invited our alumnus, Saia Agrobotics, to share and inspire us about their journey. Before we talk with them, let's watch a short video to get to know what they're doing.
My name is Ruud Bart. I'm the CEO and founder of Saia Agrobotics. We are developing the next generation of greenhouse robotics where we bring the plant to the robot. So normally, in the greenhouse, the robot really has to look for all the fruit and where the leaves are and where to harvest. But by getting the plant out of the greenhouse, you can really look at it from all sides, you can reach everywhere and thereby do a very efficient harvest and de-leaving in one go, and that saves a lot of labor. So basically, in order to get the plant out of the greenhouse, you have to develop a whole new plant system. Normally plants grow 20, 30 meters in length, and those are not really movable. So what we did at Saia is develop a plant system that actually stays vertical, and that's the one that you can start to move and bring towards the robot. So what is unique about our robot is that we get individual plants in front of it and only plants that need to be harvested. So the robot can continuously be operating, and that generates a very high throughput and a very economical solution. It's not just a robot that we're building a whole food factory, an automated greenhouse where we save 50% of the labor, we have higher yields, and also where humans do not have to go into the greenhouse anymore. And with high automation, both on robotics but also on the AI, we can really provide a solution in places where it is right now not possible to grow fresh foods. So we joined the StartLife acceleration program in 2019 because we're coming out of research, out of academia, and we really wanted to bring our technology to the market. Basically, StartLife helped us to form a business plan, calculate all the economics, and actually through StartLife we realized that we didn't want to bring robots into the jungle anymore, but get the plants to the robot instead. That was a really major pivot for us. I foresee that Saia Agrobotics will play a large role in the fresh food production in greenhouses of the future.
Co-founder and CTO, Bart van Tol. Bart, I see you don't have a mic.
I don't have a mic, but I have a loud voice, so
Yeah.
Do we have a hand mic?
Do we have a hand mic by chance?
Or yeah, the box.
The catch box. Wow.
Yeah.
That's a good idea. I don't know who came up with it. Well, very impressive journey, Bart.
Thank you.
I would like to know what are the next milestones for Saia?
Well, currently we are building a greenhouse very nearby. And what sets us apart from different other startups is, and I don't want to downplay any other startups, but we are building a whole factory. So robotics is just one part of our technical journey. And we're integrating our robotics in our own greenhouse as a showcase for our future customers and investors. And next to that, we're looking for Series B financing for next year. We need a lot of money to build our greenhouse and to update our technology for the market.
That's great to hear the progress that you're making. Of course, you were part of StartLife Accelerate in 2019. Mm-hmm. It's been about 4 years now.
Yeah.
I'm curious to hear what are some of the highlights of the past 4 years.
Well, expanding our team really. We started with the two of us, Ruud and I, and now we're 12, and the team will grow to 20 next year. And it's a wonderful team, mostly young people, and for some of them it's their first job. It's just great experience to work towards our goals and see a lot of energy and
yes.
Yeah.
Of course, I'm also working in the same. Saia Agrobotics is also here, so it's always great to work in an ecosystem that's filled with a lot of startups. One of the things that Ruud mentioned in the video was bringing the plant to the robot.
Yeah.
I think it's very interesting. How much labor does that save?
Yeah, well, according to our models, it's about 50%, but we'll see. We're working towards a fully automated greenhouse, but there's always manual labor involved because some of the tasks that you have to do are really delicate or even once in a while, so it's not really economically feasible to automate them all. But we aim for 50% right now. Yeah.
Well, that's already quite a lot of savings, I would say. I have a question. If you had to do it all over again, the 4 years, what would you do differently? If does something come to mind?
Yeah, well, we started off with building a mobile robot first. Well, now we're bringing the plant towards the robot. And maybe we should, in hindsight, we wouldn't have built that first mobile robot. But anyway, yeah, we learned from it and it's okay. So.
Yeah. Maybe a last question. What is the advice for the startups that are now leaving the program that you can leave with them?
Okay, yeah, it's maybe a little bit personal, but don't spend 60 to 80 hours into your product. You have to keep your personal life in check as well, and your health. No, I see a lot of startups just making too much hours, and you can, when you're young, it's okay. But I'm an old guy, you know, and I have a family, so it's important to keep your life balanced in check. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much, Bart, and we're very proud of the journey that you're on. Thank you.
Thank you.